The GPCI 2022 result were deeply affected by the ongoing recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic. For 3 years, cities worldwide faced lockdown, border closure, and service restriction that changed the way people live and work. The pandemic tested every city's resilience, its ability to maintain global connection and sustain economic activity amid crisis. The Mori Memorial Foundation observed that accessibility was the most affected category. Many leading cities such as London, Singapore, and Tokyo suffered declines due to cautious border measures and limited international travel. For example, while Tokyo maintained strong domestic stability, its international flights were slower to resume. Meanwhile, cities that reopened earlier like Dubai and Istanbul saw the dramatic improvement in their rankings. Dubai in particular raised its score by resuming tourism quickly and promoting cultural events. Istanbul also benefited from open borders and growing tourism sector. Other cities improved through domestic recovery. Melbourne and Paris, for instance, enhanced their livability by improving public transportation, working environment, and social infrastructure. New York are also rebounded by restoring its transportation system and adopting flexible work policies. In summary, the GPCI 2022 highlighted a new dimension of urban power, resilient to pandemic, reshape global priorities, showing that success is not just about economic might but about adaptability, health system, and livable environment. Cities that balance safety and opens gain a competitive edge of a post-pandemic world.